Okay, today I'm doing a black. All black eyes today. I'm doing a black eye today. Black eye, you got it? Oh. We are all black today. I am using the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm not blending, I'm just putting it over the black. I want to make my black much darker than what it is. So I put my little pencil, my white pencil, to make it darker. I'm coming in. This is the eyeshadow look. Simple and quick. I am going to finish up and I'll be back. Simple. Eyeshadow look. I am going to finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back to show you the results. See you soon. Before and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. Foundation is on. Eyebrows was on before. I don't do fake lash, I have my real lashes, so I put my mascara on. And eyes. One last thing. You gotta do this. And I am ready to do my lips. This completes today's look. I think I need blush. Need a little blush for the cheekbones. So let's do blush. I think I need some blush. Without blush, with blush. Blush. One side, no blush. No blush. Blush. We're finished. So we have two sections, one with blush, one without blush. Here, let's fix this here. Let us make sure the hair is together here. Okay. Now I have blush on. Comment. Finish look. This is the second time I'm saying finish look, but I think we need a little bit something more. So we're gonna add something else. What do you think? This is the third finish. First finish was no blush. Second finish was with blush. Third finish is with a little glitter. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thank you again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Please subscribe, please share. Again, I want to remind you, always love self first. Love self plenty. Self is important. Take care of self. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye. Till next video, we will chat again. And peace.